G'day, tubes. It's snowing out again. Show you the snow. It's snowing out again, tubes. So you know what that means. It's coming down pretty good, so I'm gonna have to get the blower out again and use the blower. The snow blower, I mean. You can't really see it, but get the... Oh, there we go. Get out there and see the snow. Snow, like I said, it's snowing again, tubes. I like to see that. So we're gonna be using the blower again. We're gonna be using the, yeah, buddy. So okay, please subscribe to my channel and we'll talk to you guys soon.